Okay, we're doing run number 2, the second run. I'm trying to install through the agent of Codex, Waaseyaa.org. We're going to try to do another clean install. So I'll start a new chat. I had this prompt that I used last time that was supposed to narrate a nice install and load of Waaseyaa, but it didn't work out so smooth. It took like 9 minutes, but let's try it again. So all I'm doing there is, as you can see, stand up a brand new Waaseyaa app and get it running in my browser. I'm screen recording this, so keep it clean and narrate each step in one short line. Last time too, okay, it's having a problem here. I left the my app directory. All right, delete it. And try again. That's my fault. Didn't clean up properly. But yeah, the first run, if you want to watch video, it's sitting there too in my playlist somewhere. But composer create project, it took longer than 120 seconds and died, so I had to restart it, and then it ran into a missing console command list. I think I took care of both. Well, I mean, the composer cache is warm now, so it shouldn't take that long, theoretically, because it's running it right now. Composer create project, Waaseyaa on my app. But yeah, I guess maybe it isn't warm, and this is downloading again. Oh, of course, deleting. Well, the cache should still be warm. But we did delete the vendor. We should be good. Cross your fingers. This time I crossed them. All right. What was I babbling about here? To reiterate on what Waaseyaa is, it's a PHP framework, really. That's it. And those docs are my first generated pass. I'm not too concerned about them being polished and pristine right now. I'd rather get the framework that way first. I gotta, what do you call this? I discovered that at some point, a custom CLI kernel popped into the code base, so I'm ripping that out and getting back to a clean Symfony base. That will never happen again. I vibe coded and stood up a lot of the packages very quickly. I mean, I see it's about to hit 2 minutes and it's gonna die. Or not. Still going. List worked. Oh, the stock project is installed. I'm reading the README and command list to identify the dev server command. How much time we at now? Just under 4 minutes, which is is that 100% improvement? No, 50% improvement so far. The README and CL, it should pop up in the browser, I'm hoping. So this is all about just scaffolding up a project. And the next video, since that went so smooth, but it seemed to take so long, the next video we'll get into maybe the admin spa. But as you can see, it's running in the browser. What's its face over here? Codex is well pleased and confirmed that the site's running. It even did a HTTP check, and there you can see the title just as it's up there. Anyway, sayonara.